Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and initiating the first action. Sign into your Microsoft 365 account and verify the Excel build under File Account. Once done, choose the update channel that matches your risk tolerance, monthly for fastest features, semi-annual for stability, MSI for legacy installs, because the channel determines which files the updater downloads and when. Make sure automatic updates are enabled so you don't forget. Then click Update Options, Update Now to start fetching the installer. You continue by letting the updater run. Close all Office apps so file locks don't block patched binaries, then monitor the Update Now progress indicator. If you're on an MSI or need offline deployment, download the matching 32 or 64-bit installer and run it elevated. Use the Office deployment tool for multiple machines. Once the installer finishes, restart Excel and any link services, verify the new build in About Excel, and test critical macros or add-ins to confirm compatibility before returning to full use. You finish by validating settings and handling problems. Run a quick repair from control panel programs if updates fail, because that replaces corrupted files without losing settings. Once repaired, clear the Office cache and temporary installer files to avoid repeated errors, then reboot and rerun Update Now. If issues persist, collect update logs and note error codes. Escalate with exact build numbers. One key troubleshooting tip: switch channels temporarily only if the error is channel-specific, then revert after confirming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.